I see, this has to be, yes. There might be some mistakes during the table creating, now I'm showing you why it is error. Yes. Refresh the table. Edit the data again. I'll try hit enter now. Ah, we need to put in the last name as well. Enter. OK now. The error occurred because there are two data we need to put in. Tanin and Sangam. Other parts can be left as null, the program will not show error. Now we will put in department ID. Let me adjust the table. I will put an unlisted ID into the department ID. For example, 6, and press enter. Now you're seeing the error notification, because the program does not have this department ID listed. Let's go back to Departments table. Click Select. There are ID listed, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, we can only set value between 1 to 5. Now I put in 5 and press enter. It works. 6 doesn't work, it doesn't list it in the department value. Like this. This is the benefit of relationship. It helps verify the correct data input. When I put in 6, it doesn't refer to any of the value in the department ID. This is why I show you how to create a relationship between tables. You can make up some information here. Copy at the top table tab, and paste. Then you can edit any data. You don't have to type in new information all the time. Just copy, paste, and edit information. OK. Now, right-click to close all documents. Refresh the table. Go to Employees table. Right-click to select. Now you have initial data to write C# or Visual Basic. This is not specified for one language only. OK. I finish my lecture here. See you in the next lecture. Thank you very much.